Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your Canon PIXMA TS8020 series printer on your Windows, macOS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and you want to search for Canon PIXMA TS8020 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best result should be from a Canon domain here. This is Canon support for PIXMA TS8020. Go ahead and select that. And then if you scroll down underneath downloads, select software and drivers. And then going a little bit further down here, you want to locate the print, driver, and scan utility installer and select the download button for that. And then once it's downloaded, go ahead and open that file up to run it. And select yes if you receive a user account control prompt. Should be a verified publisher, Canon Inc. And then select next, select your country, and then accept the end user license terms here. And then you can select your connection preferred type, whether it's wireless LAN or via USB, and then you just would select next, and then just continue on with the installation guide on there. And that's all you would have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.